Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. As you can know, I am Mr. Money. So on my channel I post tips on how to make money online. So right now I'm bringing to you a new legit update. This update have been on, this is actually an airdrop. It have been online for a very long time now, and they are launching on the 20th of November of 2025. As you can see right here, from directly from their white paper. This is direct from the web through the airdrop claiming we start on 20th November 2025. Stay tuned for all updates and make sure, and we are already in November already. So you guys can still earn on this platform, although they are no longer mining on this platform, but you can perform daily tasks and make your withdrawal from this. Perform daily tasks. I also refer all your friends and family to earn on this platform. It is not too late. You can make at least $10 to $50 from this platform just by earning on daily tasks and doing referrals. Any amount is possible on referral, and they are also doing a referral bonus. Yes, they are also doing a referral bonus on this platform. So make sure to join this platform right now and start earning on this platform. So let's head over to this exact platform I am talking about right now. The platform right here. Now, before you can go to sign up on this platform, you will need two things. You will need you will need a Ton Keeper account. That's a Ton. They are actually launching their coin on Ton. So on Ton blockchain. So you will need a Ton Keeper, a Ton wallet. And it's advisable that you use Ton Keeper. So you need a Ton Keeper. For those of you who don't know what Ton Keeper is, this is how Ton Keeper look like. Let me show you guys. Now this is Ton Keeper. Now this is how Keeper look like. So go to your Play Store and search for Keeper. Go to your Play Store and search for Keeper. For those of you who don't know, like how Keeper look like. Okay, so that's Keeper. Once you search for Keeper, download it and install it. You need two things to sign up on this platform. You need both Keeper and referral link. Now this is very simple thing. You can't do based on their snapshot. They are about to do a snapshot. They've closed all portal. The only way you can go to sign in on this platform is through someone, except someone refers you. So even though you don't use my link to sign up, or you go look for someone else link to sign up, but make sure you sign up on this platform and make money on this platform. Okay, so they are having a bonanza actually. So if you can go to sign in for what's the name, for 7 good days, you will be given 10,000 Lyraxis token. So right now they are launching their airdrop at 0.5 cents. That's 0.5 USDT for those of you who know what I'm talking about. And this platform is legit. From the time I'm doing this investigation, from the time I'm doing this video, this platform seems to be legit. So this is a pure disclaimer alert for those of you. You guys will know what I'm talking about. Let me don't stress myself too much. But this is a pure disclaimer alert. Please do your well diligent research. This is from my own experience and from my own research. So make sure to do your own diligent research. I am not a financial advisor. You guys should be warned. Okay. Now heading back to the how do you sign up? Now you will be needing, like I said earlier, you'll be needing both your Keeper and your referral link. Now your Keeper, you use your Keeper to sign up on this platform. Use your Keeper to sign after you've installed your Keeper and created an account on your Keeper. You use your Keeper to sign up on this platform. Then after you sign up on this platform, you will now have to use your referral link. Don't worry, I'll be dropping my referral link down below in the description. Make sure to use the referral link if you want to sign up on this platform. Then when you use referral link, you use your Keeper to create an account on this platform and start making money. Now, how do you make money on this platform? Very easy. Since there is no option to mine any longer, you can sign in daily. So if you can sign in for complete 7 consecutive days without missing any single day, you will earn a total of 10,000 Lyraxis token. Okay, so let's head over to the other ways you can earn money. Now you can earn money by completing tasks. As you can see very well, I have completed all my tasks. As you can see, I have completed account verification with email. That's this one right here. I have completed that. Okay, I have completed this one. I have completed this. Sometimes it do take time for the task to be completed to verify. So you make sure to try it all over until it gets completed. So and they are actually launching a referral contest for the top 100 people. So you can refer if you join the competition. You are among the top 100 people. You'll be among people that will share a total of 10,000 USDT. But that's being said, Okay, that's how you earn on this platform, do completing tasks and sign in daily. Okay, then let's go to their pre-sale and see what I'm talking about. Now as you can see, this is their pre-sale detail. Now let me show you the price that they are launching with. So according to my resources and from the investigation I have made, they look at, okay, they are launching at, it has been said that they are launching at 0.05 cents. Now imagine you sign in now. From the moment you are watching this video, you created an account and you sign for 7 consecutive days. Now you now be given a total of 10,000 lazy token. Now 10,000 lazy token times 0.05 USDT, and it will be launching this month, not other airdrop that you now have to wait. It's not even that far. This month on the 25th, on 28th actually. So as you can see right here, this is their pre-sale chart, this is their pre-sale offer. Okay, this is the price. They will be launching on the 28th of November 2025. They will be, that's their listing date, and this is their listing price. So make sure to join into this platform right now. Okay, and start earning from this platform. Okay, another means you can also earn on this platform is through referrals. You can also earn from this platform through referrals. So go over to your referral. All you have to do is click on join contents here. Join contents, view content through. Okay, read through. After you view content through, then you come over here and copy your link and start referring other people. Refer your friends, your friends and family. Make sure to refer them so that they can also gain from this opportunity and make money on this platform. So that's just how you earn on this platform. So you guys should make sure to earn on this platform and also share it to your friends, just the way I shared it to you, so that you guys can all earn. Also share it to your friends and family so they can earn on this platform too. So this is an airdrop. This is a free airdrop. Are always free. You don't have to pay anything, so there's no risk in trying it out.